Great day to everyone. I'm Malika Muniandi Princess from Malaysia. I wanted to share a small information about water. Currently, the entire world having a very difficult situations due to the pollution. So human who could really think become the main reasons for the pollution in the water. We don't really understand what will be the impact, because whatever we are harmed to the water going to come back to us one day. So if you look at it, basically water playing in a very important role in our routine, in our body systems. One of the fact is to really remove the toxin and waste. So we need water to really clean all the blood circulations at kidney process, to remove all the toxic and also the waste. So if this is not been cleaned off, those toxin and waste will be accumulated in the body and will be giving and harmful to our health. So due to that, we really depends to water. We need water. Water actually helping us to our survival. So for an example, just look at this experiment. For example, just treat it this is as a toxin. So this is the toxin in our body. So when you drink water, by day you are cleaning off all the toxin from the body, the waste. So all the unwanted toxin will be removed out when you are drinking. So you could see the water become clearer. So this is where the water really helping us. So water helping in our daily life. So it's even cleaning our body. But then in return, what we are doing to the water? Look at this. It's an example. It's very colorful, right? These are the rubbish that been thrown by human who can think. So even in any river, any lake, any seaside, people are dumping rubbish. We need water to clean our body systems for the toxin which may harm us, but then in return we are throwing toxin and rubbish into the sea. So how could we elaborate this actually? There are a lot of researchers was saying in many times to come, fish going to be really entirely going to be obsolete in water and to be replaced by rubbish. It may comes because that's what happening. The entire world was talking about pollution who caused by human, but what are the rectification? Even though there are so many activities was ongoing, but there are still people who throwing rubbish without bothering what are the impact. So whatever you are doing now, it's going to come back to us. So therefore, please save water. Please really value water. Without water, the life it's really meaningless. Just a day without water, it's a nightmare. So we need water for our survival. It's because of one person's activity polluting the water may harm so many people. So there are many ways that we could do disposing the all the rubbishes. It's not necessarily to throw inside the sea. Government are having a lot of arrangement to recycle those rubbish. So you need to properly dispose those rubbish rather dumping into the sea, as sea can't dilute the rubbish. Kindly please don't throw rubbish into the sea, lake, river, even drain. We need to save water. It's a natural blessing from the God. We need everyone's to be together to say thank you to water, not to harm water, and to save the water for our future. Thank you.